Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both the Samsung A12 and the TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for discovery. Once connected, pull down Quick Settings and tap Smart View, that cast icon that looks like a screen. The phone will ask for permission to scan for devices. Allow it so the phone can see your TV. This step initiates the casting handshake and lets the phone list available receivers, so you can pick the right display without extra apps. After the phone finishes scanning, select the TV or Chromecast entry from the list. Names usually reflect your TV model or device nickname. Once you tap it, the TV may display a PIN or an approval prompt. Enter or accept that to complete pairing. If you prefer casting from an app, open the app and tap its cast icon to stream only that app. This method keeps media controls in the app and can offer better performance than full-screen mirroring when you only need video or audio playback. To stop casting, open Quick Settings and tap Smart View again, or use the casting notification to disconnect. This ends the session cleanly. If your TV never appears, restart Wi-Fi or reboot both devices to refresh discovery. Also check both devices are on the same network band and that mobile software is up to date. One key tip: nearly all discovery issues resolve after toggling Wi-Fi or updating the Smart View service. Try that before deeper troubleshooting so you don't waste time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.